I remember how it feels to love you. I think it goes like that. I wouldn't put anybody above you. I think it goes like that. I think it goes like I think it goes. I know it's hard to stand what you don't understand. You wanna say it, but you can't explain it. I know it's hard to stand what you don't understand. Let's find the fire and finish what you.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be creating this look. This was how I was feeling, and I decided to just use makeup to just, you know, just relax and express myself, how I feel, how my soul feels, how my heart feels, overwhelmed. So yes guys, I know this was like a lot, but it's just how I was feeling today. So we're gonna be creating this look. Yeah, so continue watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would definitely appreciate it. Okay guys, so I'm going in with this brush, this blender brush from my Sylyne brush set. If you haven't seen that brush set, please check it out in the link. I'll attach it to the right of your screen. My favorite brush set, guys. Yes, and they work. Okay, so this color is from my Morphe 35B palette. It is this sky blue, pretty color. I love it. And before I started blending, I used my Makeup Revolution in C13 to just blend the concealer so that we can have a nice base, so that the colors can be as pigmented. And as you can see, I added the shadow, and then I used a smaller blender brush to just blend it out. Then I'm going in my favorite brush set from the Real Techniques brush set. This is the detailer brush, and I'm using my concealer, the Makeup Revolution C13, and I'm basically just cutting my crease. Yes, just trying to get that nice cut crease shape, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going in very detailed with this brush because I really want the lines to be as sharp as possible. So as you can see, it is doing a great job, guys. I love this brush. And you can also check out the link. I'll attach it to the right of your screen so you can go and look at the brushes, because it's a brush set. It's a flawless base set, that is. Okay, so I'm going in with this shade now from my Morphe 35O palette, and I'm just using that to just set the concealer portion. As you can see, all done. Then I'm going in with my e.l.f. liquid liner, and that is just basically setting the base for the eyeshadow to come. You know what I'm saying? But the reason why I went in with this liquid liner was because I really don't have what do you call it now, like a primer, eyeshadow primer that can really work. So I decided to go in with the liquid liner because it will allow me to get a sharp line, and that's what we're going for. Yeah, so I'm just making a nice wing line, and I'm trying to be as precise as possible. So yeah, as you can see, I just used it to just fill in the areas, and it doesn't have to be neat because we're just going to go over that with some eyeshadow. And as you can see, I'm trying to create the line as curved as possible. Yes, so as you can see now, I'm going in with the blue now, and this is a blue shimmery shade from the same Morphe 35O palette, 35B palette that is. And guys, I'm only using 2 eyeshadows, so 2 eyeshadows. And guys, I'm telling you, this eyeshadow, I didn't know that the shimmery shade was so pigmented. And I think also because I used the e.l.f. liquid liner, you know, when I added the liquid liner, it just made the surface of my skin very smooth. So the eyeshadow or the shimmery shade, it just added really nice, and it just was really nice and pigmented. Then I went in with the same shade that we used earlier as our transition shade under my lower lash line. Hi guys, yes, so I'm back and I did the eyes. I think this eye is a little bit higher than this one, but it's okay, it's fine with me. We're not perfect. And this is what I was feeling. I was feeling blue, Yes, going in with my Morphe 35O palette, and I'm using this shade. Which one? This one. This one. Yes. And we're just gonna contour our face right here. Okay, like my edges. Squeeze in another pigment right here. We're just gonna take some right here. So yes, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution. This is the Vivid Baked Bronzer. I'm going to be using this on my face. I'm going to go in. So I'm gonna take some down my nose right here. Okay guys, so we're getting straight to the finished look. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.